It's not just another negotiation workshop. It is very different because it is tailored to the challenges that women face when they negotiate at work and also in their private life. There are more challenges for women to negotiate than for men because we do live in a male-dominated culture that basically gives us the rules in which we have to act. I believe that the role plays that we are doing during the workshop are particularly useful for the participants because they get the opportunity to reflect on their strength when they negotiate, but also to find out what their weakness is. The workshop should be attended by everybody because we all negotiate every day and often we don't realize that we actually do. But if we would be more conscious about it, we would maybe get better results.